In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Invideo Ai. We'll walk through the complete process from creating your account to exporting a polished video so you can start producing content fast and confidently. Begin by heading to the Invideo AI website. Click Sign Up, create your account using Google or your email, and once you're in, open your dashboard. This is your home base for new projects and saved edits. To start creating, click Create Video. You'll see two options: the AI video generator, which turns text prompts into finished videos, or start from template if you'd rather customize a pre-designed layout. If you're new, the AI generator is the quickest way to get impressive results with minimal setup. Now enter your prompt. This part is crucial. Clear direction leads to better output. For example, you might write, create a TikTok video about a hair curler product, aesthetic, engaging, with captions and upbeat music. With a prompt like that, the AI will generate the script, visuals, and voiceover all at once. If you have specifics, like the vibe, target audience, or key selling points, work them into your prompt to guide the style. Before generating, choose your video settings. Set the platform format, such as 9:16 for TikTok and Reels or 16:9 for YouTube. Select the language and pick a voice style that matches your brand's tone, whether that's friendly, energetic, or professional. Click Generate and give it a moment. Invideo AI will assemble scenes, select relevant clips, add text, and apply the voiceover automatically. When it's done, review the draft from start to finish to spot any areas that need refining. Now polish your edit, trim clips to improve pacing, replace any footage that doesn't quite fit, adjust on-screen text for clarity, and fine-tune timing so transitions feel smooth. You can also use AI commands. Just type natural instructions like make this shorter, add subtitles, or change music to energetic, and the AI will apply those changes for you. You can always tweak further after each command. Customize your audio by swapping background music, balancing volume so voice and music sit well together, or replacing the voiceover if you prefer a different style. Bring in your branding by uploading your logo, applying your brand colors, and using your fonts. Consistency here helps your content feel professional and recognizable. If you need versions for multiple platforms, resize your video, 9:16 for TikTok or Reels, 16:9 for YouTube, and 1:1 for Instagram. After resizing, double-check text and key visuals so nothing important gets cropped. When everything